Hey guys, hope you had a wonderful weekend. It's Monday, holiday here in Canada, so we're going to be checking in on gold. And let's take a look at it. So when we last talked, we were looking at two things. One, we had this 4-hour equilibrium, which didn't play out in any direction. We had a breakout without commitment and to the upside. We had a breakdown without confirmation or commitment to the downside. And then we ended up breaking that equilibrium with an expanding range, which shows volatility overall. So what we really wanted to do was step back and say, all right, we've got two big boundaries here. We got a resistance, we got a support. We need to see if one of those breaks with confirmation and volume, and that's going to give us more indication of what the trend wants to do for the next short amount of time. So we didn't get that confirmation down here, and instead we saw some break to the upside, pretty quick movement, and we saw a big candlestick, good increasing volume, but most importantly, we saw a lot of volatility, and we saw bulls ultimately winning the battle, closing well above that range of 1316. So once we had that confirmation, bulls were more confident in the move and sustained strength above 1316, and they've been charging straight up since that time, and we've come up to test this ever important area at 1326. So where does 1326 come from? If we zoom out on the daily time frame, we can see that we've got a 1326 resistance here. It acted as a major area resistance here, and we are currently backtesting it on the 4-hour time frame as an area of support. So should this hold as support and see another green confirmation, bulls will be comfortable, or should be comfortable, with continued outside movement. And in which case, if they do that, let's see where the next resistance is. Nothing really till we get up to about 1350. So that's a pretty good case for the bulls. However, on the 4-hour time frame, if this fails to hold as support, we will come back down, test the area 1316. We need to see that if that's going to hold as a support for more longer-term sustained strength. So right now, looking good for the bulls. Almost a little bit of a bull flag here. If we jump to the hourly, it might make more sense. It does not quite have that bull flag picture, but you get this idea where we're testing this 1326 area resistance. We come down once, touch it, pull up, touch it again. We go to the 15-minute time frame. You don't get that nice descending triangle that I wanted to hopefully point out to you guys. But I hope you can see how this area, this 1326, is acting that major support level right now. So yeah, if it holds, bulls get another good green candle, get a new high over, let's see, 1327.59. Things are going to be looking good. We'll lose this support, come back down, look for confirmation of support at 1316. That's what I'm looking for going into tomorrow. Thank you very much for listening.